Hi everyone, my name is Amira Farzana, nickname and class. I am a student of BSI University with an accounting study program. I present this video to Miss Lily for the midterm exam in the basic English course. In task 1, I took the theme of my opinion regarding smoking in the campus area. My opinion about smoking in the campus area is a bad thing. Why? Because the campus is a place of learning that support health and productivity, while by smoking in the environment becomes unhealthy. Smokers, in addition to endangering themselves, will also endanger others who do not smoke. For some students, smoking is one of the things that must be done, because for them smoking can make their confidence increase and feel cool. Inversely, professional, if you don't smoke, then they will be considered a geeky and uncool person. It is easy to find people smoking on campus, from lecturers, employees, and especially students. Students are the biggest contributor to active smokers on campus. It's horrible. Students who are supposed to act as to human beings who have the ability and noble character that can later replace previous generation. These turn out to be addicted to cigarettes. Therefore, I agree if a no smoking policy is implemented in the campus environment. This help keep us all with the creation of healthy learning atmosphere and breathe clean air. Okay, that's all my opinion about the part 1 text, which is about smoking in the campus environment. Next, I will explain the part 2 text, which is material about simple present tense. What is simple present tense? Simple present tense is a verb form that is used to express ongoing, current, fact, or recurring event. Simple present tense is one the most commonly used tenses in the English language. When is simple present tense used? 1. To state truth and fact in general use, for things that are always true or generally accepted as permanent fact and situation. For the example, 1. In 1 year there are 12 months. 2. Sukarno in the first president of Indonesia. 3. The Indonesia flag is red and white. 2. To describe routines and habits. Used to talk about habits and routines. It is usually followed by a time marker such as often, always, seldom. For the example, 1. I often take a walk in the park after dinner. 2. She always drinks coffee in the morning. 3. He seldom watches television during the week. Used for things that will not change. Generally used for something that will not change or is permanent. For the example, 1. Mother is woman. 2. Cats are mammals. 3. The colors of the Indonesian flag are the red and white. The characteristic of the simple present tense include time and verbs such as always, selalu, never, tidak pernah, seldom, jarang, often, sering, usually, biasanya, sometimes, kadang-kadang. Some of the functions of the simple present tense are 1. Expressing fact or truth. 2. Expressing habit or routine action. 3. Talking about general matters. 4. Expression or feelings. 5. Giving instruction or direction. 6. Expression of fixed schedule in the present of future. Simple present tense has three types of the sentence patterns, namely 1. Positive, 2. Negative, 3. Interrogative. Subject plus am or is or are plus adjective or description if there is no subject plus verb 1 plus adjective if using verb. Simple present tense sentence return from subject plus verb 1 plus object. For positive, for the subject he, she, and it, the verb ends in s, es, or ies. For the subject I, you, we, and they, the verb in use in its best form. Example, he loves to play basketball. I love to play basketball. Simple present tense sentence began from subject plus do or dash plus not plus verb 1 plus object. For negative, the subject I, you, we, they is done before the verb in a negative sentence. He subject, he, she, it is doesn't before the verb in the negative sentence. Example, I don't like chocolate. She doesn't like chocolate. The subject I, you, we, they is do before the verb in the question sentence. The subject he, she, it is does before the verb in the question sentence. Example, do you play the guitar? Does he play the guitar? Example of the use of positive, negative, and interrogative sentence in studying truth and facts. Positive, Sukarno is the first president of Indonesia. Negative, Sukarno is not the first president of Indonesia. Interrogative, is Sukarno the first president of Indonesia? Example of using positive, negative, and interrogative sentence in describing routines and habits. Positive, she usually eats lunch at noon. Negative, she doesn't usually eat lunch at noon. Interrogative, does she usually eat lunch at noon? Examples of using positive, negative, and interrogative sentence for things that will not change. Positive, mother is a woman. Negative, mother is not a woman. Interrogative, is mother a woman? We need to addition s after the verb if the subject is he, she, it. Example, she buys a pen. We need to addition es to verb ending. Example, he goes to school. We need to addition ies to verb ending in y. Example, she study English 2 hours in a day. He cries because of that incident. And for the addition of the words as, es, and ies only in positive sentence. Conclusion. Simple present tense is a verb from that expresses routine or recurring event, not event that are happening. Keep in mind that simple present tense use best verb, but verb 1 and the first form of to be. Okay, maybe that's my opinion and explanation. Thank you and see you.